In manufacturing, performance is never theoretical. A component either holds tolerance and performs in the field, or it doesn't. That's why the right manufacturing partner matters. At Wellmaster, we specialize in precision machining, custom fabrication, and structured product commercialization, supporting customers who need reliability, scalability, and confidence in their supply chain. We are a Canadian, multi-generation, family-owned manufacturer with nearly 4 decades of experience delivering industrial products into demanding real-world environments. Our machining capabilities are built around precision, repeatability, and process control. Alongside machining, Wellmaster offers flexible fabrication capabilities, from prototyping through to small and large volume production. We also support partners through a full commercialization lifecycle. New products are designed, tested, refined, and introduced into the market with manufacturing discipline from the start. Wellmaster works closely with global logistics partners, maintains extensive Canadian and U.S. distribution, and operates with a disciplined trade and tariff strategy. This gives our partners greater cost predictability, regulatory confidence, and supply continuity in an evolving global trade environment. At our core, Wellmaster is a relationship-driven organization. As a family-owned business, we work directly with decision makers, building long-term partnerships, and take responsibility for the outcomes of what we manufacture. If you're looking for a manufacturing partner with precision capability, fabrication flexibility, structured commercialization, and dependable market access, we would welcome the opportunity to work with you. Wellmaster. Make a difference.